We are 30 days out. Can you believe that? 30 days out from the second annual Self-Publishers Cancun Mastermind down at the beautiful, absolutely stunning resort, Paradisus. I am beyond excited to see you and to help you accomplish your goals and change your life, change the direction of your life at this event, because that's exactly what this event's going to be about. Now, I have a big announcement that I'm going to get to in a second, so make sure you stay tuned. But I was just working on the agenda today and getting some things ready for the special excursion on the 14th. That this thing, you think swimming with whale sharks last year was something? Wait till you see what we're doing this year. I'm telling you, if you have the opportunity to come to this event, I know some of you don't have visas or whatever the case is, but if you have the opportunity to come to this event and you don't come to this event, you will 110%, 110%, 1010%, you're going to regret it. Because this event is like none other. The work, the effort, the pure passion that all the speakers, the organizers are putting into this event to ensure that you leave it on the 15th, you leave this event ready to take on the world, ready to accomplish your dreams. You have no idea what these men and women are doing just to ensure you get the absolute most you can from this event. So I'm going to do something, and that is this. For everybody in attendance, everybody, whether you bought the silver, gold, or platinum player package, I am, and we could talk about that, I am just stoked to hang out with the platinum players for that extra day. I haven't been looking forward to something like this in a very, very long time. But everybody who's going to be in attendance at Cancun, at the event, is also going to be receiving exclusive access to my self-publishing blueprint and our entire community. That's going to be 100% free, free for life, free for the upgrades, free for everything. But this event is so much more than making money. This event is so much more than self-publishing. This event is geared to help you realize your goals, realize your dreams, and give you the tools, the confidence, and anything else you need to go after them with everything you have in you. And that is what this event is going to do for you. So click the link below if you haven't signed up for whatever crazy reason, but I cannot wait to see you in Cancun in 30 days. We're almost there.